Alright guys, so today is kind of an unexpected video. I have my AirPods Pro that needs to be fixed. Every time I put these AirPods on, I hear like a static sound. It's been going on for a few months now, but I'm actually gonna go to the Apple store, see if it can be fixed. I always expected that Apple will have to charge me for this, and if you know anything about AirPods repairs, is that it costs an arm and a leg to get AirPods repaired. I do not have Apple Care with these AirPods. So I just want to go to the Apple store. I did see on the Apple website that some AirPods that do experience this issue, so the static issue, once you put it in, can be fixed for free. So I'm just going to try my luck. All right, so we're at downtown Montreal. We're almost at the Apple store. We have to look for parking, and that's one of the challenges in driving downtown. Hopefully we can find a nice, easy parking spot because we are going to shop around after we're done with the Apple store. So hopefully we can get a good spot and not have to worry about looking for parking. All right, so lucky enough, we did find a parking spot right in front of the Apple store, so we didn't have to look for parking. It does seem that it's probably easier to find parking today. The only issue is that I did come here accounting for the time that we would have to look for parking, but now we're 30 minutes early, so let's just get right into the Apple store. Maybe they'll take us earlier, or maybe we'll have to wait 30 minutes. But yeah, let's get in and see if they can fix our AirPods. I just finished with the Apple store. I did go around shopping a little bit, and I'm gonna go home and explain to you guys what actually happened at the Apple store. So I went to the Apple store and they let me know that the issue I have was a recall, but apparently I didn't notify Apple early enough to let them know that I had the issue. So now I do not qualify for the fixing of the AirPods. And it's quite a shame because the issue wasn't notified to me. I feel like Apple should have at least sent an email to people that were affected, but Apple did not even send me anything, and I didn't know I could call them to get it fixed during the recall period. So now I'm either stuck with these AirPods or I should buy new AirPods. It is currently on sale on Amazon for $270 Canadian. Usually the price is over $300, so I am tempted to just buy the new one. If I do get it, then we're gonna skip to me getting them and reviewing them right now. All right, so it's about 2 days since I went to the Apple store. I went shopping around, and guess what? I ordered the second generation AirPods Pro with the USB-C port. So we're gonna be able to actually get better noise cancellation, better transparency, probably better battery life. I'm not too sure, but we do have MagSafe with this charger, which is what I really wanted. And also you have speakers in the outside of the actual charging case, and we also have better tracking. So we have the H2 chip with the AirPods Pro, so we can also track this same way that we do with our AirTags. So this is actually going to be a very, very nice upgrade. Apple was going to charge me $115 per pair. Well, actually, no, $115 per AirPods. So that would have been over $230 just for two AirPods to fix. I do still have the static sound with my AirPods. Don't think it can be fixed. So right now we're going to be able to test out the AirPods Pro second generation with the USB-C. I want to test out the tracking, I want to test out the speakers, and I also want to test out the MagSafe, which is all the things that I really care about with the new generation of the AirPods Pro. All right, so let's bring out the AirPods. All right. I think we do have stickers with AirPods, if I'm not mistaken. It's been a while since I bought AirPods, so I'm not too sure. Yeah, there's actually no stickers. That's actually surprising. And we have the AirPods. So the AirPods look exactly the same as the AirPods 2 that I currently have. Not much difference in design other than this for, I think this is to attach to your keys or something. And the speakers. Actually, let me bring out my old AirPods Pro and let's compare. All right, so this is my first generation AirPods Pro, and as we can see, there's no speakers anywhere. There's no way to attach it to your keys unless you buy another case on top of this one. Let's see here, what do we have here? Oh, okay, so we have braided cables, actually, USB-C cables. as expected. I'm actually shocked it's braided. I didn't know it was braided. And we do have some more earplugs or earbuds. Actually, this one comes in threes. The original one that I had came with two. So this one comes with three new options, plus the one that you already have in here. So this one has large, small, and extra small, and they give us the medium for as a default. So the medium size is the default. The second and first generation really look alike until you move it to the side. That's when you're going to see the difference, or until you move it at the bottom. That's where you'll see the difference with the port and the speakers. I'm actually glad I have USB-C now, because my phone, as you guys might have known, has USB-C. My iMac has USB-C. My iPad and my MacBook has USB-C. The only thing that doesn't have USB-C is my AirPods Max. So I'm hoping Apple does update the AirPods Max to have USB-C, but I'm still stuck with Lightning on this device. But hopefully we can get a new one with the USB-C so we can just move away from Lightning and just have everything USB-C. Now let's turn this on, connect it to our phone, and test out some of the new features with the AirPods Pro 2nd generation. All right, so first thing I really want to test out that I'm really happy it has now is the MagSafe. So if I put it here, it charges with the MagSafe charger. And this is just amazing. I don't know why I'm so hyped, but this hasn't been around for I think over a year now, but I finally have the AirPods Pro that can attach with MagSafe. And not only MagSafe, it also attaches with the Apple Watch charger. This is nothing really amazing. I'm just hyped that I don't need to use a regular slow charger like this. And I can actually use the MagSafe charger and charge it pretty fast and also pretty cool. Now we just have to test the tracking with the AirPods Pro 2nd generation. All right, so I am tracking the AirPods Pro with the iPhone, and as you guys can see, it acts exactly like an AirTag. So I can get closer and closer and it will find it. And I can also play a sound, and it also flashes a green light whenever you play the sound, and the sound is very loud. So this is actually one of the biggest upgrades, but that's the thing with the AirPods Pro 2. The upgrade comes from the case. So if you could get the case alone, then that would be good enough. But getting the AirPods Pro 2nd generation itself directly, that would be even better. Buying these AirPods 2nd generation for $270 was the best deal. All right, so we just tested out the main features that I really cared about with the AirPods Pro. I wasn't really planning on making a video buying AirPods Pro 2nd generation, but it happened. My other AirPods were just getting on my nerves and I had to figure out a way to get it fixed. It would have cost me way too much to fix, so I bought the new AirPods and I'm actually happy with them. Can't wait to start using these. I'm not too sure what I'll do with my old AirPods, maybe just keep them around, but they've served me very well. I had these for 2 years, over 2 years now, and they've been doing very, very well when it came to battery life, noise cancellation, transparency mode, etc. But yeah, that was pretty much it. That's all for today. Might make another video with other devices. Make sure to like and subscribe. I don't usually tell people to like and subscribe, but I have to start telling people to like and subscribe because I want to grow in subscribers. So yeah, leave a comment, like, subscribe if you enjoyed the video. See you guys on the next one. Peace.